Then family gatherings aren't the time for you to compare people. Look at your brother, he has done this. Look at your sister, she has done this. Respect people, respect people's growth. Respect where they're coming from, respect their experiences, okay? And bring it to play when it comes to family gathering.
Manners on the go.
And when it comes to a family gathering, what advice do you have for maintaining good manners during family gatherings and special occasions?
Interesting question. So first, respect people. We may be cut from the same cloth, but we don't think the same way.
Excellent.
Okay?
Yeah.
So the children born by the same people, but they don't act the same way. So respect people's individuality.
Okay.
Bring respect to play. And then family gatherings aren't the time for you to compare people. Look at your brother, he has done this. Look at your sister, she has done this. Respect people, respect people's growth. Respect where they're coming from, respect their experiences, okay? And bring it to play when it comes to family gathering. Another thing at family gatherings, and this is from experience, and maybe not personal experience, but from what I've seen. Don't go into a family gathering thinking that you are the best of all people. I think it's humility when you're able to help out with people. So don't go sit and expect people to serve you, because even the Bible says that whoever wants to lead amongst you should be the servant of all. So it's okay for you to be able to roll up your sleeves and help, and no matter what position you're in the family, help with chores, help to clean up after a dinner, for instance. Don't go there feeling that you're superior. Family is family, and that's where you can show your vulnerability. So it's okay for you to help. Another thing on the flip side is that because someone is there to help, don't turn a particular person to the slave of all.
That's true.
So when it comes to family, I think it's just respect when everybody comes together and puts in their own quota. Of course, when you're going to a family gathering, pick up a gift along the way. Don't go empty-handed. So, pay attention to that. Respect and positive interaction is important. Also, don't be mute while others are talking. Contribute.
But I said it's much better if you don't have something sensible to say. Don't say anything than saying something and saying something stupid. So how do you balance that?
It's better for you to always have something sensible to say. That's what I say. There should always be something sensible to say. Otherwise, the more you communicate, the more we measure your confidence.
Okay.
So if you're not able to speak, then something is wrong. Of course, I agree with you that say something sensible. Don't say because Madam Coach, manners coach has said I must talk. So everybody is moving towards A. Because I must talk, I am moving to Z. That's not what I'm saying. But train yourself also to be able to communicate. And there's something cute about not being the loudest in the room. Okay? Don't be the loudest in the room. Allow the spotlight on other people. So sometimes you even have superior knowledge. You're widely traveled. You've been there. You've done that. But there's something really cute about you just allowing others to shine, whilst also putting in what you have to put in. I'm close to someone that isn't such a big talker. That's just his person. But he's a wise person. So when we have family meetings like that and so on, he's really not the first person to talk. But the meeting isn't over until they call him to contribute because they know he's full of wisdom. That's the kind of person you should be. So in as much as you're not when everybody is talking and you're saying that they say I must contribute, if you don't have anything to contribute, it's okay. But pay attention to what is being said. Give them the gift of your attention, and they will know that you're part of it. So it's not until you talk that they know that you're paying attention.
Or you can concur with someone's opinion.
I agree with you, something like that. And then when it's time for you to talk, you will talk. But don't be the loudest in the room. I mean, don't do that. And like I said, this is the time, let me face the camera, that we're going to go home and be with family. Please don't go comparing people. Don't go with inferiority complex. Don't come with superiority complex. Just enjoy yourself and enjoy the gift of family. Note that.
Excellent. Okay, now it's good you mentioned about